remember this how like Mickey drove with the Skyline like that. I'm going pretty quick and like go on, getting overtaken. I got overtook. It's 335D German.
Has he recorded himself with stick?
Welcome to another video of Hoodstick. Yes, we're going to be driving this Audi A3. We're doing a POV drive. But from the previous video you guys seen, thank you again for all the comments, and I really appreciate all the feedback and all the knowledge that you guys have given. But yeah, so officially a VAG gang, we are doing the German bits. So we're going to jump in the car right now and we're going to start driving. We're going to start the car up. Here we go. We have sorted, I haven't had a chance to sort out that problem yet, but because of you guys dropping the comments down below and a few people have messaged me, we know what the problem is and we will get to that, but it's not nothing serious. But yeah, so we'll jump in the car, let the car warm up, and then we'll go for a blast. So let's do this. Okay, right then, start driving. The car warm up whilst we're driving casually. Wow, such a big steering wheel already. It's like a boat. I hate to do that. So yeah, where do I start with this car? I can say to you, this car is very luxurious, very stable this car is. You know, when you're driving this car as well, you can hear it. Jump out, watch. Hear that? Do that again. It's got a nice little dump valve to it, you can hear it. Oh, this car is nice, the Audi is bombing it then. 5-speed. For a 2000-year car, it's pretty decent. Electric windows, it's got tweeters, it's got a few gadgets here and there. Yeah, I'm starting to get used to these German cars. I am starting to like them a lot because they're a lot more solid. Like, I feel planted, I feel like a tank that's moving. I feel like if a car's gonna hit me, I'm gonna feel protected. So that's very, very good stuff to know. While in Jap cars, you just feel like you're in a tin can. No, I don't hate them. I love Jap cars. I always will love Jap cars. But getting used to these German cars gives you like a better insight into a well-engineered car. Japs are good for their engine and most known for their engine work. But German, the interior, the chairs, the comfortable, the sound, it's so rigid. It's so perfect. And that's why, undeniably, you can't say a German car's rubbish, and maybe that's why they're always priced quite high, or the maintenance is quite expensive, because you pay for what you get. We also need to check the sound of the horn. Nice classic sound. Nobody ever talks about the horn, but I think it's really important. Anyway, let's drop the gear down to 4th, 3rd. Let's get a bit of a... I can't think you can hear the dub back with this sound. Here she goes. Alright, okay. Yeah, she does want to go. This. Wow! 50 miles per hour. Now tell me that is not slow. That is not slow. Come on. 1999 Audi A3. 150 brake. The torque is the truth. 210 Newton meters of torque. There's no lie in that. See how the power went. The car does have a nice responsive acceleration. This car has. Not as torquey as the diesel Audi A3 that we had on the channel so far. But obviously it's petrol. Obviously it's got 180,000 on the clock, so it's probably lost a bit of power all the way to get there from the moon and back. And the functionality of this car is just so good. See how the turns are? Amazing! Why is it with German cars and their lock turns are so good? You could do a U-turn without even trying with one finger. While a Japanese car, then you'll end up in the curb. Drop it down back to 2nd gear. Rev matching. Let's go! Kicking in, it's going, we're going. there's a bit of delay there, but the way the car drives, oh, come on, go red lights, let's slow it down. That's it, red match. Perfect. Ah, I'm starting to like this car. It's remarkable, isn't it? Don't you think? This car is like 1999. It sounds, it drives sometimes more better than the newer generation nowadays. Yeah, here we go again. Whoa! Look at that! The gear change is a bit slow, but when it's in boost, it's going. Yeah, this car does need coilovers. It does feel a bit boaty. But yeah, whoa! Jeez! What the hell was that car doing with that biker? Rev matching. Oh, they got someone on the road doing the bin rubbish. Thanks, mate. Cheers. Drop it back to second, rev match. Let's go. Ah. Boom. It's a car. It does have like a bit of a B-road heritage. The Quattros. By the way, this ain't Quattro. This is a four-wheel drive. I know. So it makes sense. Like, I know from the previous video, a friend mentioned that when you're in a four-wheel drive car, you can lose like 20% of the drivetrain when it's four-wheel drive. So being that it's four-wheel drive, you have a bit more power. The torque is crazy in this car. And I think because of the gear changes, it does lack a lot of lag for the turbo to stop and then regenerate the turbo again. Second pull again, yeah, rev match. Let's go. Look at that. We're going, and that is 16. Boom! See that? Very, very, very nice. So progressive the power is on this car. You know, just imagine what this car feel like when it's remapped. Crazy. Let's see how the bends. Rev match. Let's go. Yeah, I think the second gear is the best in this car. Very, very good. Brakes are extraordinary in this car. Either the previous owners put some very good brake discs and pads, or this car is just made to be very good at braking. I mean, German cars in general are very good at braking, and they're very good with their safety. That's what I learned. Here we go. Let's go first gear. Look at that. Sometimes not always about the brake horsepower, it's about the torque. Hence why diesel cars are so quick, because they've got such a big torque. Oh, I'm getting overtaken. I got overtook. 335D. German brothers. I'm not gonna race him. Like, come on. We're only testing the cars out here. We're not gonna be racing other people. I know a lot of people might be provoked. Like, come on, let's race him. You know, I just got this car from accident damage, so I don't want to do anything too crazy. But no, it handles really. You can't feel no bumps on this car. That's what I'm trying to say. In the Civic, I was like, hit every single bump in this car. It's crazy. Look at that. Second gear, look, it's going. So good. The way it just handles as well. It's amazing. So good this car is. It does really feel nice, and that I do like it. Whoa, smoking! Beautiful. It gripped alright, that did, compared to Civics. Because of the high revs, like, they don't have a grip, they do, but with this, like, it controls it very well. Very nice. The bends. I think this car would be better if it had coilovers, where like, it drives. I remember this how like Mickey drove with the Skyline like that. I'm going pretty quick, and like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really like this car. It was really remarkable to drive this car. It's a privilege to drive this car, and can't wait for more videos about this car. Again, drop comments down below and tell me what things to do. But I do feel like the catalyst needs to go, so I want to hear that V5 engine turbo sound proper, and that's it. But anyways, peace, hope you enjoyed the video.